Where are we?
The Flame Express. And we come down to Oahu and on a plane in Santa. What is doing?
What are you guys doing?
It's Santa right there. Yeah.
I see him.
Right there.
For Halloween one time, Conrad.
You were all off.
Daddy was Olaf.
What's going on right now?
It's showing.
Is it really?
Yep.
Like real snow?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Where are we at? Are we-
The show place.
Are we in Hawaii?
Yep. It is showing in Hawaii.
What the heck?
What the heck is it? I was showing Hawaii.
It might be actually. You're right. You're right.
What was your favorite part?
Eating cookies or drinking hot chocolate.
Cookies and hot chocolate? What about all the lights?
I like seeing those.
What about Santa Claus?
I love that. I forgot about that part.
What was your favorite part, bro?
Eating cookie and having hot chocolate and asking Santa.
No way. Did you like all the lights?
Yes.
What about singing?
No.
You didn't like singing Jingle Bells?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah.
What was your favorite song?
Kiss me one.
Christmas songs?
Yeah.
All right, love you, bro.